All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are, people. Rick Reed here with another amazing postcard program. People, direct mail is booming and I need your help by participating in your own rescue. That's what I need you to do. Let me help you make all the money you desire by simply mailing a postcard. Okay, now what I want you to do is click on the subscribe button down there at the bottom. Click on the subscribe button. Give me a like. Also, subscribe to the channel, as I was saying, and like and share this video with someone you know that's been looking for some type of opportunity. Maybe someone been laid off. All right, but to see this particular opportunity, go to www.mailboxcashmoneytime.com. That's www.mailboxcashmoney.com. If you're tired of being broke, all right, now you can do something about it. I want to show you how you can earn up to $500 to $3,500 weekly, daily, or monthly by simply working from home, full or part-time. All right, now this is an amazing opportunity for you. It's mind-blowing. Now, right here, what you can do, you can give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. My ID number is 876-876. Now, again, if you would like to receive piles of envelopes in your mailbox containing $500 to $3,500 or more, daily, weekly, or monthly, again, mailboxcashmoney.com. Now, what I want to do now is I want you to take a look at something that's going to change your life forever.
Over the next few minutes, you're about to learn how you could easily earn an extra $200, $500, or even $1,000 per week or more from the comfort of your home. Let me introduce you to our program called Cash Building System Unlimited. By utilizing our direct mail postcard marketing system through the Cash Building System Unlimited Compensation Pay Plan, you can easily build yourself a flow of cash each and every week as your team grows. Let me explain how simple our program works. Cash Building System Unlimited is a simple two-phase program. The cost of phase 1 to join is just a $50 membership fee. You will receive 200 postcards and 200 names of prospects on peel and stick labels to mail your postcards to. You will also receive a phase 2 upgrade form, postcard order form, your personal member ID number, and much more. Also, for every new member that you personally enroll into the program, you will earn $25. When you are ready to make bigger money, just upgrade to phase 2 of our program. Now, here's where the program gets really exciting. You will earn additional $70 to $3,500 for every phase 2 upgrade membership from your personals, and your sponsor will earn up to $20 to $1,000. Example of how phase 2 works. Pick the level that you are joining, and then pay each member on that level. Your one-time commission will be dependent on your level, and the level that each member you personally bring into the program. Examples. Let's say you join at level 4, and your new member joins at level 1. You make $70, and your sponsor would earn $20. If your new member joins level 2, you make $350, and your sponsor would earn $100. If your new member joins level 4, you make $1,050, and your sponsor would earn $300. You get the picture. Join phase 2 as soon as possible to avoid missing out on future commissions. If you are not a member of phase 2, we will send your sponsor's phase 2 upgrade form to your new members. Don't let this happen. Now let's talk about bonuses. Fast Start Bonus. You will be paid $25 for each new phase 1 member that you have personally enrolled into the program. Spillover Bonus. You will get paid up to the level of phase 2 that you have signed up for. Any money above that goes to your sponsor, up to their level. This is spillover. Upgrade bonus. If one of your personal downline members upgrades to a higher phase 2 level, you will receive $200 per level. You can upgrade at any time. Just send in the difference between the level you are currently at and the level that you are upgrading to. So there you have it. If you have been searching for a simple, low-cost to start, easy-to-do business opportunity that could earn you some serious cash from home, you have found it. Fill in the information on the back side of the postcard that you have received and mail it along with your $50 membership fee today. Or if you are ready to join now, just click the link below this video. You have been given the business opportunity that could financially change your life and the life of your family for the good. But only you can decide right now whether or not to take advantage of it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so there you have it. All you simply have to do is give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. Again, this is the postcard that I designed for the people that get started with me. It's going to be amazing postcards because we're teaching them and showing them right, we're hitting it right where it hurt. Are you tired of being broke? Well, do something about it. Look how crazy he looked. Look how frustrated he looked. And you know why? Because a lot of you are feeling the same thing, so you can relate to that. Times are changing. Times are changing, and so we're changing right along with it. So here we go again. Here's my ID number 876. When you go to my personal website right here, Mailbox Cash Money Time, you're going to see there, you're going to see instructions on exactly what you need to do to get started, and I'm going to get you some of these postcards. Now check this out. Keep in mind, when someone joins you, okay, then you're going to get 200 postcards sent to you, and you're going to get 200 additional leads. What I'm going to send to you is my 3-day, 2-night trip that I have right here, this 3-day, 2-night trip. I'm going to get that to you, all right? So you're going to get another 3-day, 2-night trip sent to you. That way you can relax and enjoy the money that I'm going to help you make. That is it. I hope you have a great day, evening, night, wherever time it is where you are. Again, if you're tired of being broke, people, this is your opportunity to do something about it. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself, because you're going to have me helping you all the way. All I ask you to do is be teachable and coachable, and I'll show you how to make the money by simply mailing postcards. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. God bless.